Pluffy bounces in with a laptop. Hey humans, not getting good answers from AI? The problem might be your prompt. I'm Pluffy, your fluffy tech buddy. Today I'll show you how to write the perfect prompt for ChatGPT, step by step, so you get useful, friendly results fast. First tip, be clear and specific. Don't say, write something about fitness. Say, write a 100-word fitness tip for beginners. Specific length, topic, and tone help the AI focus. Second tip, add context about the audience and purpose. Tell the AI who you're talking to. Write a YouTube caption for students about productivity. Context shapes examples and vocabulary. Third tip, mention format and structure. Ask for a list, script, caption, or step-by-step guide. Saying 3 bullets or a 30-second script gets you exactly what you need. Follow these 3 tricks and your AI results will become 10 times better. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow Pluffy for more friendly AI tips.